Welcome to Sarasas Samutsarn School. This is Science Matayam 3 and my name is Teacher Carla Circolado. How are you all doing, class? I hope that you're all good today. Now let's begin our lesson by reading our vocabulary words. So please listen carefully as I read each word twice, then please repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Gases. Gases. Very good. Liquid. Liquid. Very good. Solid. Solid. Very good. States. States. Very good. Matter. Matter. Very good. Now let's do our dictation of 3 words. Get 1 piece of paper or in your notebook, write your name, your grade, and your student number. Okay, now let's start. Number 1. Spell the word solid. Number 1, solid. Number 2, spell the word gases. Number 2, gases. And number 3, spell the word liquid. Number 3, liquid. Okay, now let's check your answers. Let's read and spell together. Solid. S-O-L-I-D. Solid. Okay, solid is a firm and stable in shape. It's not a liquid or fluid. It's solid. Very good. The second word, let's read and spell together. Gases. G-A-S-E-S. Gases. Very good. Gas is a substance or matter in a state in which it expands freely. It doesn't have a fixed shape. It's not a solid or liquid. Gases. Very good. The third word, let's read and spell together. Liquid. L-I-Q-U-I-D. Liquid. Very good. So liquid, just like this coffee, it is a substance that flows freely but on its own volume. It is not a solid, it is a liquid that flows freely but has constant volume. Very good. Before we move on to our topic for today, the question that I will ask is, what do you call anything that takes up space? We will answer that question on our topic, which is in Unit 4, Matter. Unit 4, Matter. Please get your books and open it on page 78. Unit 4, Matter, page 78. Now let's begin. Matter in daily life. Again, repeat after me. Matter in daily life. Very good. So on your first paragraph in your book, it says, matter is anything that takes up space. Again, repeat after me. Matter is anything that takes up space. Very good. If you look around you, every object that you see is made of matter. That's right. And matter comes in basically 3 different forms. That forms is solid, gas, and liquid. Again, repeat after me. Solid, gas, liquid. Very good. So again, if we look around us, all the objects that we see is made up of matter. And there are 3 forms or 3 different forms of matter. The first one is solid, and gas, and liquid. Very good. On the next paragraph, it says, scientists call solids, liquids, and gases the ordinary states of matter. Again, repeat after me. States of matter. Very good. So again, scientists call the solids, the liquids, and the gases the ordinary states of matter. Again, what did the scientists call solid, liquids, and gases? Very good. States of matter. Good job. Now let's answer the first question. What do you call anything that takes up space? Very good. It's called matter. Again, matter. Good job. Now we will talk about the 3 states of matter. The first one is the solids. Everybody repeat after me. Solids. Very good. So as we know, solid has a definite shape. Okay, it is stable. For example, computer. Computer has its shape. The CPU and the keyboard has its definite shape. It is a solid. Another example of solid is an apple. You can hold the apple in your hand because the apple has a definite form. As well as the bicycle, you can ride the bicycle because the bicycle is steady because it is solid. Okay, can you give me more example of solid? Very good. Many examples that you can see around you. Good job. Another state of matter is liquids. Everybody, liquids. Good job. So, as we know, liquids are not solid. They don't have a shape, but they flow freely at its own volume. Okay, for example, this milk, you can see it's flowing freely. The swimming pool and the rain are examples of liquids. Can you think of more examples of liquids? Yes, like the rivers, the beach, the water that we drink, it's all liquid. Good job. Now the third state of matter is gases. Everybody repeat after me. Gases. Good job. So, the steam from this kettle is a gas. The hot air balloon is also an example of gases. And the natural gas or fuel that we use to cook food is also an example of gases. You can see many examples from your books. Okay, so you can also highlight and underline those examples. Good job. Now let's answer the question. What are the 3 forms of matter? Good job. Solid, liquid, and gas. Good job, everyone. Now let's talk about solid again. so we can understand it more. It says that solids have shape. Everybody repeat after me. Solids have shape. Very good. Please highlight in your book. You can change the shape of solids if you work at it. Let's see the example here. So this is a rock. The rock is solid because it has a shape. But when you throw the rock with something hard or when you hit it, it can be broken. So, you can change the shape of a solid if you work at it. Again, what is solid? Very good. Solid have shape. Good job. Okay, the next one is liquids. Liquid has no shape. Everybody repeat after me. Liquid has no shape. So, if you see here, when you open the faucet or tub, the water freely flows because liquid doesn't have a shape. But liquid also have a volume of its own. When you say volume, it is the amount of space that something takes up. For example, if you pour 1 cup of milk in this bowl, the volume of milk or liquid is 1 cup. Okay? It doesn't have a shape, but liquid does have a volume of its own. Again, does liquid has a shape? Very good. No, it doesn't have a shape, but it has a volume of its own. Good job. And the third one, gases. Gases does not have its own shape. Again, repeat after me. Gases does not have its own shape. Very good. Gas does not have its volume too. Many gases are invisible. Okay, that's right. It is harder to understand gases because we cannot see them. Gases are mostly invisible. Again, repeat after me. Invisible. Very good. It does not have a shape as well because we cannot hold the gases. Okay, if we pour gas into our hand or into a bowl, we cannot see it or we cannot also touch it. So, gases don't have a shape on its own. It doesn't have its volume, and gases are invisible. Okay, so for example, you can see here, they are filling the balloon with hot air. So, you can actually weigh the gases. Okay, it does not have a shape, it does not have a volume, and it is invisible, but you can weigh the gases. Very good. So the question, which type of matter does have a shape? Good job. Solid. Which type of matter does not have a shape but does have volume? Very good. Liquid. Now let's do your exercise. For your exercise, we will do it on live worksheets. I will send the link together with this video so you can answer directly on live worksheets. Okay, but then you have to put your name, your student number, and your grade on your activity. When you click the link, you will go straight to the activity. So this is the activity in your live worksheet. It will be your exercise for this topic on your live worksheet. Okay, so of course, you have to put your name, your grade, and your student number here. Okay, so the direction for this exercise is you have to drag and drop the word in the correct column. Okay, so these are the sets of words. Okay, and these are the three state of matter that we talk about. We have the solid, liquid, and gas. So, the first word, for example, is air. Is air solid, liquid, or gas? Air is gas. So you have to put air and drop it here. Okay, so next one until you finish from the last word, rain. Okay, when you finish the exercise, you have to press finish or you have to click finish. Okay, then your score will appear here. After that, you have to take photo or screenshot the screen of your computer. Then after you screenshot or take a picture, you need to send to me in line. Don't forget to put your name, your grade, and your student number. Okay, understand everybody? Okay, good job. So now let's move on to our summary questions for this topic. The first question is, what is matter? Very good. Anything that takes up space. Number 2, summary question. What does scientists call solid, liquid, and gas? Very good. States of matter. And the third summary question. Give an example of solid. Good job. Bicycle. Summary fourth question. What type of matter are mostly invisible? Very good. Gas. And the fifth summary question. Give an example of gas. Good job. Hot air balloon. Very good, everyone. You're all doing a good job. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all learned. And just a friendly reminder, don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, stay at home, eat healthy, because we will still see you soon. Goodbye!